Local news for Friday the 3rd of July. This week marked the official opening of the joint Rumahanga Roads Depot, a joint working relationship with Carterton and South Wairarapa District Councils and Fulton Hogan. The joint depot, located on Dalefield Road, will provide working space for roading staff from both councils as well as Fulton Hogan and staff from Wellington Water who manage South Wairarapa's three waters. Moa bones and other subfossil remains of extinct species are said to have improved protection, with proposals to prevent the trade in extinct species announced by the Minister of Conservation. Wairarapa has one of the richest caves full of animal bones, including moa. A cave near Martinborough was first discovered in 1914 by a deer stalker and is one of the most important fossil sites in Aotearoa. Moa bones have also been found in places like Taueru. The YMCA is providing sports free for kids. They've committed to $20,000 towards providing zero fees for all junior sports leagues in Porirua and Masterton for the rest of 2020. And $50,000 is going towards providing half-price programs throughout July in the school holidays for families across 10 locations in the Lower North Island. And finally in sport, club rugby kicks off tomorrow. Carterton will host Marist in the Premier Years. East Coast play Martinborough. Ikitahunta play Gladstone and Greytown are at home to Pioneer. The senior reserve competition this year is split into North and South, with the Northern and Southern victors playing each other in the final. The Premier games kick off at 2:35. Kia ora for local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.